This video compares two software tools. An AI voice walks you through everything clearly.
Tastytrade takes a radically transparent approach to pricing, which is one of its strongest differentiators in an industry often filled with hidden fees and layered subscriptions. There are no platform fees, no monthly subscriptions, and no tiered plans to navigate. Stock and ETF trades are completely commission-free to open and close, including fractional shares, making Tastytrade immediately cost-efficient for both long-term investors and active equity traders who want predictable, low-friction pricing. Where Tastytrade truly defines its identity is in options pricing. Opening an equity or ETF options contract costs $1 per contract, while closing the position is completely free. On top of that, there is a built-in commission cap of $10 per leg, which is extremely powerful for traders using multi-contract strategies, scaling positions, or managing high-volume options portfolios. Once the cap is reached, any additional contracts in that leg are effectively free to open, significantly reducing marginal costs as position size increases. For futures traders, Tastytrade maintains the same straightforward pricing philosophy. Standard futures contracts are priced at $1 per contract per side, while micro futures are lower at 75 cents per contract per side. Options on futures cost slightly more but remain competitive compared to traditional futures brokers that often layer in routing, platform, or clearing fees. Cryptocurrency trading is also commission-free, simplifying cost calculations for traders who want exposure without complex fee structures. Feature-wise, Tastytrade is built by traders for traders, with a clear focus on options, analytics, probability-based decision-making, and portfolio-level risk management rather than visual charting aesthetics. The platform includes advanced options chains, implied volatility analysis, expected move calculations, probability of profit tools, and intuitive strategy builders that allow traders to model complex spreads quickly. The interface is intentionally designed to surface risk metrics visually, making it easier to understand delta, gamma, and overall portfolio exposure without relying on external spreadsheets. Futures trading is fully integrated into the same environment, allowing traders to manage stocks, options, futures, and crypto from a single dashboard. Education is embedded directly into the platform through live shows, strategy walkthroughs, and research content that closely mirrors real trading workflows. The strengths of Tastytrade lie in pricing clarity, options-focused efficiency, and a workflow that supports disciplined, systematic trading decisions. Active options traders benefit enormously from the commission cap, while futures traders appreciate low per-contract fees and included market data. However, there are trade-offs. Charting is functional, but not best in class. Customization is limited compared to professional trading terminals, and traders who rely heavily on advanced technical analysis, order flow tools, or footprint charts may find the platform restrictive. International availability is also more limited than some global brokers, reinforcing that Tastytrade is best suited for traders who prioritize options, execution, cost control, and probabilistic thinking over deep technical customization.
Now shifting to UltraAlgo pricing, and this is a very different model from a brokerage. UltraAlgo operates on a subscription basis, with clearly defined monthly plans. The premium plan is priced at around $67 per month and includes a 7-day free trial, which lowers the barrier to testing the platform. The elite plan sits higher, at around $119 per month, positioning itself as a more advanced trading platform. Pricing is flat and recurring, meaning you pay continuously as long as you want access to the tools, regardless of how often you trade. Feature-wise, UltraAlgo focuses on algorithmic and signal-driven trading support rather than trade execution itself. The platform provides access to proprietary trading algorithms, multi-strategy trading logic, institutional trade tracking, real-time market data, and dynamic support and resistance levels. It also supports trade execution through multiple brokers, which allows users to connect signals to their existing brokerage accounts. One of its more prominent features is live market backtesting, giving traders the ability to evaluate how strategies behave in real-time conditions, rather than purely historical simulations. Higher tier access adds features like AI-driven optimization, deeper market depth analysis, and more advanced signal layers. UltraAlgo is designed primarily for traders who want algorithm-assisted decision-making rather than discretionary chart analysis alone. It sits between a pure signal service and a full trading platform. The interface emphasizes alerts, algorithm outputs, and actionable trade levels rather than education or theory. This makes it appealing to traders who want ready-made systems or confirmation tools, but less suitable for beginners who want structured learning. Looking at the pros, UltraAlgo offers a relatively quick setup, clear monthly pricing, a free trial on the lower tier, and a wide range of algorithm-driven features. The ability to connect to multiple brokers and execute trades directly is also a practical advantage for active traders. On the downside, the ongoing subscription costs can add up over time, especially compared to platforms with no monthly fees. The platform relies heavily on trust in proprietary algorithms, which may not suit traders who prefer full transparency or manual control. It also lacks the deep educational ecosystem and brokerage integration that platforms like Tastytrade provide. In terms of user feedback, based on Trustpilot data, Tastytrade currently holds a rating of 4.1 out of 5, based on 574 reviews. UltraAlgo.com currently shows a Trustpilot rating of 2.7 out of 5, based on a small number of reviews. As with all review platforms, ratings are subjective. The sample size matters, and experiences can vary widely depending on expectations and trading style. Viewers should always verify the latest ratings directly on Trustpilot, as scores and review counts can change over time. Final takeaway: if your priority is live trading in stocks and options with transparent pricing and continuous education built directly into the platform, Tastytrade is the stronger and more established choice, especially for traders who want to learn through real market participation rather than external tools. If your focus is algorithm-assisted trading, signal-driven execution, and pre-built strategy support, and you're comfortable paying an ongoing subscription, UltraAlgo may fit that workflow as a decision support layer rather than a full trading ecosystem. These tools solve very different problems, so the best choice depends on whether you want a broker to trade or a signal engine to support execution elsewhere. If this comparison helped, hit like, subscribe for more honest trading software breakdowns, and click the link below to access the platform that actually fits how you trade, manage risk, and build consistency over time.